you want to tell me what's going on with the dashboard?
So yeah, we're here today demonstrating our multi-tenancy, multi-user version of Atmosphere. This one's been white labeled as an example as a View IO. So here I've got a group dashboard with many different devices that have data pumping into this dashboard in form of these data glances. We've got graphs, we've got a map. You can see here I've got a list of the users who have access to this group and can see the dashboard and talk to these devices. I can see what devices I currently have as well. So I can drill into any one of these devices individually. So here I can go jump into the individual device dashboard, see information specific to this device, and configure it as well.
So we got some humidity.
Yep, some humidity data coming in, some temperature data coming in. So it looks like it's a pretty nice day in Syracuse.
What I thought was really cool is we've got stuff that's happening here in addition to Syracuse. And so is the Syracuse office sweaty? 40% humidity, is that pretty sweaty? I don't even know.
No, that's pretty good actually. That's
pretty
nice,
good.
Comfortable.
All right.
So it's a nice day.
But we've got, so how hot is Ryan? It's 69.77 degrees. That's actually this sensor right here. We'll see if it goes up if I grab it. Actually, the light just went down on it because now it's really...
yeah, you just covered that up.
And there's a bit of a delay on at least the temperature sensor, but that'll warm up. And then
Actually,
we have
the best way to do it with these ones, if you want to warm it up, is on the back of them. Just start rubbing your finger, and that'll heat up the PCB.
There we go.
We'll see.
It's about as hot as it's going to get.
Yeah. I mean, it is an ambient one, so it's not meant for direct temperature taking.
Yeah.
We have IR sensors that would have done really good at that. But yeah, I got to go up by a degree. Yay.
Hooray.
You can see here, though, we've got Sigfox, we're using Wi-Fi, we're using BLE. We've got a lot of different protocols coming in.
So the Sigfox one, so this is this cool little
right
get up
here,
here. So we've got a Sigfox antenna. There's Sigfox coverage in Minneapolis, and the Sigfox people are right next door to us with some sort of repeater. I don't even know if that's helping our connection.
Well, if it ever goes down, we just elbow one of them.
Yeah.
But so far, it's been the most reliable thing we've had at the show.
So even though so this NXP kit, which is giving us our temperature, it could communicate to BLE, and that's what we're doing over here.
Yep, and that's what this one here is doing. Yeah.
We're doing BLE through the phone, but this one over here is actually going through this board to Sigfox, to an antenna somewhere, to the cloud, to our dashboard.
Yep.
To tell us the temperature. Very cool stuff going on.